Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rebecca Ike, and in this channel, I give out data analysis tutorials and I also talk about how you can grow your career as a data analyst. So, if you are interested in all that stuff, then this channel is for you. So, guys, today we are going to talk about how you can stay ahead as a data analyst in a competitive job market. So you know how there's so many people becoming data analysts and there's so many people that are so good at what they do. So how can you remain relevant? How can you stay at the top as a data analyst consistently every year, all the time? If you're interested in this gist, then continue watching this video. Before you go ahead, like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's begin. All right, guys. So what's the first thing you need to do to stay ahead in a competitive market of data analytics? The first thing you need to do is to embrace lifelong learning. Yes, guys, in this market, in this field, staying stagnant is not an option. So, how do you stay ever learning? How do you embrace lifelong learning? You have to follow trends, follow evolving trends. If there's any new thing in this field, make sure that you know about it. If there's any new tools, make sure you know about it. If there's any new thing that is coming in, make sure you know about it. How do you know about all these new trends? It's just to follow people or follow platforms that give out these informations. Platforms on Twitter, on LinkedIn, and so on website. Follow these platforms so that you can be able to know about new trends and you can jump into it. That these tools are evolving, tools in the 90s are evolving. There are new ways to do things, so you need to keep evolving. You shouldn't stay with what you learned when you were learning data analytics. You should be evolving. Your knowledge should be growing all the time. Then the second thing is take advanced courses. So you are done learning data analytics, you're getting a few jobs, you still need to upskill, right? No matter how many jobs you've done, no matter how many internships you've done, you still need to upskill. You still need to take courses. So now that you know the basics or the intermediate, the next thing to do is to take advanced courses. Take advanced courses on Python, take advanced courses on statistics so that you can always have an edge, so they can only be on top, right? So that if there's any new skill or any new terminology or new ways of doing things, you will always be aware and you always know how to do that. When you are in that position, there is no way you will stop making money. There is no way you will not be employed. Then another thing is to take certifications seriously. I know that at the beginning we are advised that just learn the skill, know the skill, certificates are not important, but guys, there's a point we get to certificates are very important. Let's say we have two very good and qualified data analysts or scientists, and they are very good, their projects are superb. What do you think employees will use to grade them? Is a certificate. They would like to, okay, now you guys are good, you are good at what you do, we've seen your project, we've seen your works. All right, so what certificate do you have? It's only the person that have a certified or a worldly recognized certificate that will be taken for that job. So guys, find a certification course, take a certification course and get that certificate. Is very important. So the second thing you need to do to stay ahead in this ever evolving world of data is master the art of communication. Also learn how to communicate. What does it mean by mastering the art of communication? It's because being a good data analyst is not just about analyzing data, it's about storytelling. You need to learn how to tell stories with data. That's what makes data more relevant. So in storytelling focuses more on visualization. So when you're visualizing your data, learn how to tell stories with your data. Learn how to tell stories with your visuals. How do you do that? Example, these are the number of people that were available for the course. These are the number of people that remained to the end of the course. These are the number of people that paid the full course fee and so on. Like, just make the visuals very interactive, make it to be like a story from one step to the other. It gives more value, it gives more relevance in that way. So learn storytelling, learn communication. Also learn how to communicate complex technical terms to stakeholders. You need to understand technical terms. You need to understand business technical terms so that can be able to communicate it well to stakeholders. That's another part of communication. You need to learn how to communicate complex technical terms to stakeholders in a way that they can relate to it and in a way they can understand. You need to understand the terminologies in a business environment so they can use those to communicate complex technical terms. This will surely keep you ahead of other people in this field. When you know business and organization terms, right, and you know how to break down complex terms, complex things to stakeholders, they will surely will like to work with you than any other data analyst. So, guys, the first tip is build connections. So, how do you build connection? Join online communities, guys. So important. I don't know how to make you understand how important this is. Join online communities. Join online communities, data online communities, not just on WhatsApp, on Twitter. Follow people that are good in this field. Follow them, okay? Like Tina. Tina is a woman that I admire in this field. She's on Twitter, she's on LinkedIn. Follow her up, follow other communities that you can get insight from, that you can learn from, that you can know what is going on from those communities. So apart from following people on Twitter and LinkedIn, follow communities on Twitter, follow communities on LinkedIn that gives information, and connect with people, chat people up. Don't be shy, don't be on your own, don't be quiet when people are contributing, you just close your mouth. No, contribute with others, connect with like-minded people. And if there's anybody you like in this field, anybody you admire in this field, connect with them, chat them up. They will reply, that's for sure. Even they don't want to reply, keep chatting them up, keep commenting on their posts. When they see that you're always commenting on their posts, you are always liking their posts, you are always reposting their posts, you will definitely get an attention. You get attention from them. So if you're refusing to reply, you always comment on their post, repost their post, always be the first to comment, always comment and comment reasonable things that will make them notice you, and then you can connect with them, ask them any questions that you want or any question that you have, and they will definitely help you. So communities will help you connect with people that can help you. Communities will help give you job faster than being on your own, because the communities, they also post job availabilities and all that. And apart from joining communities, also attend tech events. Attend tech events, and most especially attend data events, data related events. Attend them, leave your house on Saturdays and attend events and connect with people. When you attend events, don't just, sit down there and when you're done, you go. Connect with people, talk to people, collect their numbers, get to know them, tell them what they do, build a relationship there. So you need to learn how to connect with people, attend tech events, join a community, and so on. Then, guys, another way of connecting with people is find a mentor. So find the mentor and follow the mentor. Ask the mentor questions. The reason why most people fail in this field because they don't have anyone that is helping them. They are all alone. They don't have anyone to ask about DAX or maybe anything that they're struggling with. They don't have anyone to ask. Please find a mentor. Find someone that you can trust, that you can depend on, that can help you grow and place you where you will not be able to place yourself without a mentor. So that is the last tip. The fourth tip is get a niche. Get a niche. I believe there's a point you get to in this field, you will need to niche down. So if it's in HR analytics that you want to focus on, good. If it's in marketing analytics, you want to focus on, good. If it's in health analytics, you want to focus on, very good. So niche down. So people will know you for a particular thing. So healthcare specialists, they know that, oh, you only work for healthcare, you only do healthcare analysis. They'll have more trust in you than a general data analyst, right? Because you do healthcare analysis, you'll be able to have knowledge about healthcare. Or let's say you do marketing analysis, be able to have knowledge about marketing that will make you better than someone that does a data analyst. Data analysts most times don't have knowledge about all the different fields. Most times they have to do researches to even understand the field and before they do the analysis. But if you are a healthcare or a marketing an analyst, you are likely to do or do research on marketing, know more about marketing. So when you're analyzing data and doing giving them recommendation, you are in a better place to recommend better solutions to them. You're in a better place to understand their problems. So as you are moving higher, as you are getting jobs, you are growing, you are learning, you want to stay relevant, you want to stay ahead in this competitive market, you need to niche down. You need to niche down. Very important. Find a niche and niche down. Okay, guys, I hope this video was very helpful to you all. So, if you like this video, subscribe before you leave. Leave a comment in the comment section. I want to hear from you, and then I would like to see you in my next video. Bye.